Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, what I'm gonna be showing you is how I shape my eyebrows. So right now I have some strays of hair. I have not groomed it yet. For any beginners out there, I'm gonna show you how you would shape your brows. The first thing I knew about how to shape my eyebrows is using a like this white pencil here. Before, I do really have like thick brows or like, you know, but over plucking, and that's why I have now like areas here that are sparse. It's due to over plucking. So if you are a teenager right now or middle age 20, something like that, don't over pluck your brows because you're gonna regret it. So I do have some regrets that I did over pluck my eyebrows. So this is what happened. And so the very first thing you're gonna have to have is a white pencil like this. What you're gonna do is draw draw a shape, whatever that pleases you. So you just have to draw like so. You just have to follow whatever the arch of your brow. Like here, this is my arch, so I just follow it like so. And then whatever strands of hair that's in here, so you just have to pluck it with a tweezer. So this is my old rusty tweezer, which I have, I don't know, 15 years now, and I never replaced this. I have so many tweezers after this, but I always come back to this one. I don't know why. And if you also would like to like shape your like upper brow here, you can do it, but for my age right now, I don't want to do it because I don't want to have like bald spots on the top of my hair. So I just leave it like that, and I don't have much hair anyway, and it's very tiny as well. It's very fine, so it doesn't really bother me much. So but if you do have thick brows, you can do it like, of course, draw again like so. So hard, we don't have a mirror. And like that. And whatever hair that is in here that bothers you, just pluck it. Or you can do a laser blade if you want, but I'm not really into blades, so that's what you're gonna do. Okay, so this is how you pluck or groom your brows for a beginner, or if you want to reshape your brows, you can do it like this. The next thing is to use a stencil like this. So I have a different kind of stencil. It really depends on what kind of eye shape you want. I got here like this, and next is like that. I don't know if you can see it. The next thing is here, and the last one is this. Okay, so for me, I like to have like an arch like this, but this is very like skinny, so I don't really like to be skinny like that. I just want it the shape on the like here at the bottom, so that's what I want to follow. Again, use again your pencil. So what you're gonna do is just try to look. It's really difficult when you have a mirror. You just have to draw. Okay, so I'm not doing it justice. Let me do it again because I can see. So what you're just gonna pluck is over here. What's inside. Anyway, if you are a beginner, you don't have to pluck everything, right? So you just want to start it slowly. You have to build it up, your shape, because if you're gonna do a drastic move plucking your strands of hair, it's not really advisable, guys. I would say really do it moderately, do it slowly until you really get your shape. So for here, I'm just gonna pluck whatever the strands of hair for here. For the upper brow, you can just do like so. Oops. No, see, like that. So you can see it's really, you can really see now your like hair over here, and you can just pluck it. Okay, this is how I shape my brows when I was a beginner. And now, since I already know the shape of my brows, what I'm just gonna do is just pluck whatever I have here. So this is just what I do, guys. When I shape my brows, I'm just gonna use a concealer and then a flat definer brush like this. And then I'm just gonna fill up this shape right here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!